OnePlus has released the Watch 3, bringing new features and upgrades. Apple is also expected to launch the Watch Ultra 3 soon. In this video, we compare the OnePlus Watch 3 with the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3, covering features, performance, and what each offers. Should you buy now or wait for the Watch Ultra 3? Stay tuned to find out which smartwatch is the better choice. The OnePlus Watch 3 features a traditional round design with a stainless steel case and a rotating crown for navigation. Its slightly bulky design makes it more noticeable on the wrist. The straps are interchangeable, providing customization options. It is also water resistant, ensuring protection against splashes and sweat during workouts. The overall design caters to users who prefer a classic circular smartwatch with a robust build. Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to maintain the rugged square design introduced in previous Ultra models. It will likely feature a titanium case, offering a strong yet lightweight build. The watch is rumored to retain the action button, allowing quick access to essential functions. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 may include an even more durable display and enhanced resistance to water and dust. The OnePlus Watch 3 comes with a 1.5-inch AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast. The display resolution is sharp, making it easy to read notifications and fitness stats even in bright outdoor conditions. It also includes an always-on display mode, which improves accessibility while ensuring minimal battery drain. The screen is protected by durable glass, reducing the risk of scratches during daily use. With smooth animations and an intuitive interface, the OnePlus Watch 3's display is both functional and visually appealing. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is rumored to feature an improved micro-LED display, which could offer better brightness, contrast, and power efficiency compared to previous models. If this upgrade happens, it would make the Ultra 3 the first Apple Watch to use micro-LED technology. The display size is expected to remain around 1.92 inches, maintaining the large and easily readable interface of its predecessor. Additionally, it is likely to have an enhanced always-on display mode with optimized power consumption. The OnePlus Watch 3 is powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset, ensuring smooth performance across all functions. It includes 32 GB of internal storage, allowing users to store music, apps, and essential data without relying on a smartphone. The watch runs on Wear OS, providing access to Google's extensive app ecosystem, including Google Assistant, Google Maps, and third-party fitness apps. It also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling seamless pairing with smartphones and wireless accessories. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to come with a new S10 chipset. It may include at least 64 GB of internal storage, giving users ample space for offline music, maps, and applications. As with other Apple Watches, it will run on Watch OS, ensuring deep integration with iPhones and Apple services. The watch is also rumored to introduce improved wireless connectivity, possibly supporting Wi-Fi 6E for faster and more stable connections. The OnePlus Watch 3 includes a wide range of health tracking capabilities, such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level measurement, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. One of its standout features is the potential inclusion of blood pressure monitoring, a feature that could set it apart from many competitors. Additionally, it includes electrocardiogram functionality, helping users track their heart health more accurately. The watch integrates well with fitness tracking apps, providing a detailed analysis of workouts and overall wellness. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is rumored to introduce advanced health sensors, possibly including improved electrocardiogram functionality, better blood oxygen level tracking, and continuous body temperature monitoring. If leaks are correct, It could also feature blood glucose monitoring, making it one of the most advanced health-focused smartwatches available. The Ultra 3 will likely maintain its strong focus on activity tracking, offering specialized metrics for runners, swimmers, and extreme sports enthusiasts. The OnePlus Watch 3 offers a variety of smart features, including voice assistant support, call handling, and offline music playback. It also includes a variety of workout modes, allowing users to track different exercises with precision. The integration with Google services enhances its functionality, making it a useful companion for both fitness and productivity. The watch supports notifications, allowing users to stay connected without constantly checking their smartphones. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to include satellite connectivity for emergency situations. It may also bring further refinements to existing features such as crash detection and fall detection. Given Apple's history, new watchOS features will likely introduce more customization options and improved smart assistant capabilities. The Ultra 3 will continue to focus on outdoor and extreme sports, possibly adding new tracking modes tailored for adventurers. The OnePlus Watch 3 is designed to offer impressive battery life, lasting up to 16 days on a single charge in power-saving mode. With regular use, it can provide around 4 to 5 days of battery life, which is significantly longer than most premium smartwatches. Fast charging support allows users to quickly top up the battery when needed. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to maintain a battery life of around 36 hours in normal usage, similar to its predecessor. However, if the watch features micro-LED technology, battery efficiency could improve, extending usage time. Given the Ultra series' focus on outdoor adventures, Apple may introduce an enhanced low-power mode to prolong battery life further. The OnePlus Watch 3 is available for purchase. It is priced competitively at $330, making it an attractive option for users looking for a high-end smartwatch with premium features at a reasonable cost. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be released in late 2025. If trends continue, it will likely be announced alongside new iPhones in September. The price is expected to be in the same range as the previous Ultra model, which means it could cost around $999 or more. The OnePlus Watch 3 is a well-rounded smartwatch that provides excellent battery life, strong performance, and a variety of health features at an affordable price. It is a great choice for users who want a premium smartwatch with Wear OS integration and long-lasting battery life. But the final choice depends on your priorities: getting a feature-packed smartwatch with long battery life now, or waiting for the Apple Watch Ultra 3, which could bring new technology and premium durability, but with a higher price tag. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more like this.